Hi guys, so today we're gonna look at Edifier T5s powered subwoofer, and 70 watts, 8 inches woofer, 35 hertz, wooden enclosure, signal in, signal out, auto standby feature. So yeah, let's just take it out of the box and see. So this is nice packaging. So this is what you get: the power adapter. You get a 3.5mm to this type of cables, and then this one's and instructions. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's the Edifier subwoofer. See if we can take this off. Should do. So you can remove this as well, and you can reveal this beautiful bass speaker. So on the back you get volume dial, indicator, low, something like frequency for the bass, phase on 8020. You get these two ports, and obviously the power. Okay, so it's plugged in. There you have it. So now let's connect this with the two Edifier speakers that have a dedicated subwoofer. Okay guys, so that's how you connect. You connect these two cables in here, put this on 180. That you can increase it if you like, and then that goes into the back of your speakers if you have a dedicated port like me, into the subwoofer like this. And then yeah, then the rest is like that. But so it's exactly like this photo, and then you can see the dials as well. There's another way of doing it. So you have to connect that to your source, because then the Bluetooth won't work anymore. So you connect that to your source via cable, boom, and it goes into the top of it, and then you put the lower into the back of the speaker, and it says in here exactly where. But yeah, there's two ways. I've done it this way.